Good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome back to our very own subject, maintenance and repair of structure. So, today we are going to start with the unit number 4, that is maintenance walls which may get crack. So, how we are going to remediate? So, let's see in this chapter. So, first point of this chapter is causes of wall cracks. First cause of the wall crack is rising dampness. Second, non provision of seal. What is the seal? If this is your window, the below part which lied below the window is seal and above part is the lintel. Settlement cracks. Because of the settling of building, cracks may develop in the wall. Hollows, voids in masonry. Obviously, if there is hollow portion or voids in the masonry, it tends to the cracks. Leakage, salt. Because of the leakage also wall get cracked. Masonry joints, if you are not doing the proper masonry joints, it also causes to wall crack. Growth of vegetation, sometimes you've seen that vegetables are growing on the wall because of the dampness and it finally causes to the wall crack. So these are the various causes which cracks the wall. So first of cause, rising dampness. So in the picture you can very clearly see that this portion is get moistured, get damped, and because of this dampness the bonding between bricks get weakened. This, so this is the rising dampness. Second, non provision of seal. As earlier I stated you people, upper portion is lintel and downward portion is the seal. So if we are not providing seal here, load can't transport it from here evenly in the below portion. So that's why here cracks are going to develop. Here in the picture you can clearly see that these are the cracks which developed because of non provision of seal, and here are some cracks. These cracks developed because of not provision of lintel. यहाँ पे lintel provide नहीं किया है, उसके कारण यहाँ पे cracks गए. Okay, next reason is the settlement cracking. Suppose your building is like this and this building gets settled because of the settle settling of soil. So in that case, if your building is get settled, the cracks will develop in your building like this. Here you can see these cracks are developed because of the settlement. Now let's see what are the different major cracks in walls and what are the different types. First type of crack is cracks in external and internal walls of load bearing and non load bearing structure. This is commonly observed crack type. If your this is column, okay, and you are attaching the, let me take different colors. Okay, so this is column and you are attaching your masonry wall, okay, like this. Here what happens, the joint between this column and wall surface is not get properly done, and because of this you seen the cracks here on the joint in building. Okay, next, horizontal cracks at the junction of roof slab and masonry wall support. Similarly, as I shown in the column and wall, same happens with the slab and wall junction. Suppose here is your slab and this wall is attached like this. At this joint, let me take different color. At this joint, bonding is not proper. So here you can see the cracks. Last step, cracks in masonry joints. Sometimes masonry to masonry joints also not repair. So let's see what are the stages of repairs. First, surface preparation. First of all, we need to prepare the surface. After that, fix the suitable formwork. And after that, application of bonding or passivating coat like cement, plaster, mortar, epoxy, whatever you recommended at that situation. Application of suitable repair method. So these are the four stages in which we are going to repair the cracked masonry. Next, repair techniques. There are various repair techniques which we are going to use for repairing the cracks. So first, patch spalling replacement. Here you can see the spalling of wall. Spalling means छाले निकल जाना. So this wall may be get repaired or maintained by replacing this portion with new mortar. What we did? First of all, we clear this, prepare this surface. As earlier I tell you people, first stage is prepare the surface. First of all, we clean this surface and replace this patch with new cement mortar. So this is the first repair technique. Second, epoxy bonded mortar. Do apply the epoxy bonded mortar. So this is common mortar and we mix it in it epoxy and we simply apply the coat on that spalled wall surface. Here you can see one labor is repairing the wall with the help of epoxy bonding mortar. So here you can see the dark portion is the epoxy bonded mortar. So this is the second technique. Now let's see repairing methods for minor and medium cracks. Sometimes we observe the very minor and medium cracks in our walls. So in that case we are going to use the epoxy injection, grooving and sealing. Grooving and sealing means first of all groove that crack portion and after that place the joint sealant. Shotcrete or gunniting. Stitching means usually you know stitching process. And grouting. So let's see one by one. Epoxy injection. If you have the crack like this in your wall surface, simply take the epoxy and injection and inject that epoxy material in cracks like this. So this is about the epoxy injection. In this method, the epoxy material just injected in that crack. Second method is grooving and sealing. Here in the picture you can see that how we are going to apply the grooving and sealing method. So first of all, see here in the figure number A, original crack is like this. Okay, after that we have to make one groove. Here you can see the groove. We made the groove like this. Okay, we made a groove. After that you have to take one joint sealant material and place it in that groove, so that your crack of the masonry will get packed with this joint sealant material. So this one also the method for repairing micro or medium cracks. Third method was the gunniting. So gunniting, in the gunniting what we going to do? In the gunniting, simply we have to with the pressure apply the mortar on wall or crack repairing material. We have to prepare the surface, we have to clean this surface. If there any loose material we have to remove it, and after that keep this wall surface for some time wet. थोड़ा सा पानी मार के रखना पड़ता है पहले, and after that with the help of this gun you have to gunite this or repairing material on that surface. So this is the gunniting process of repairing wall. After that, stitching. As usually you know the how we are going to stitch the clothes. Similar in that way we are also going to stitch the masonry. So in the picture you can clearly see that these are the stitches on cracks. We have to take the one steel bar and make a staple pins of that steel bar. Made drills on both the sides of the crack and just place that steel bar in that holes, and these holes are get packed with the help of epoxy material or mortar. So easily you can stitch the crack with the help of this stitching steel bars. So here in picture you can get clear idea about the stitching method. Fifth and last method of repairing micro cracks is the grouting method. Simply in picture you can see that this was the crack, and this labor grouting this crack. Grouting means filling the some mortar material in that crack. Okay, so this is the grouting method. So guys, this is sufficient for today's lecture. The next part will be we going to see in next lecture. Till that, thank you so much.